it is your girl, Tiffany, back at you again with another, video. And today, you guys, I am going to be doing a family movie night, family movie day treat that you guys can do with your small children while we're on this, you know. So stay tuned to this video. Okay, so I'm going to grab one of my animal cookies, you guys, and I'm just going to frost it the same way I did the vanilla ones. And like I was saying, this is a good treat, a easy DIY treat you can do. With your kids, you guys. Okay, I got a few more to frost. Oh wow, they even got an alligator in here, you guys. Wow. I remember when I was growing up, in the animal cookies, there were only 3 animals. Lions, elephants, and then I think it was giraffes. But those were the only ones they included in the cookies, in the cookie boxes. And then they came in the, you guys remember the circus boxes of cookies? That's what I'm talking about. Okay, so I got one more, you guys, to frost. Okay, so I got them frosted. So you guys, now we are going to sprinkle with the sprinkles. You guys know what? I'm going to have to share this with my best friend, my helper, my bestie, Amaya. Okay, you guys, so here they are. And I'm going to let them dry, and I will be back. Okay, you guys, so my pink frosted animal cookies have dried. Now, I'm going to take my favorite popcorn. You guys, this is my favorite popcorn. Bram's Movie Theater butter flavored popcorn. It's so good, you guys. So good, you guys. And I'm going to pour some on my baking sheet. Spread it out a little bit more. Alright. And I have kept some of the chocolate that I melted, you guys. And I'm going to use this to drizzle on my popcorn. And that's in order to hold the sprinkles on there that I'm going to put on there. So I'm just going to take my Wilton drizzling spoon. And yes, you guys, it does work. So I'm just going to take it and I'm going to drizzle it across my popcorn. Okay. And I'm going to take my little sprinkles, my 9 pair of sprinkles, and I'm just going to go across my popcorn. Get this side. Okay, you guys. And I'm going to now see a close up of it, you guys. Okay. See? And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it in my fridge for 10 minutes to let it harden, the chocolate on there. And then I will be back. Okay, you guys. My popcorn has gotten hard in my fridge. So now what I'm going to do is break it up. You guys. Okay. And now, put it together, I will be able to add my animal cookies. So I'm just going to start placing them throughout the popcorn. Grab some pink ones. Add a pink one up there. And you guys, you know what? If you watch my channel, you would know that I love doing popcorn creations. I think I should have did a channel just with doing popcorn creations, you guys. So if you guys begin to see a lot of popcorn creations on here, you know why. Because Tiffany's Party Shop loves to do it. And these little extra sprinkles that I have, I'm just going to go right in here with the popcorn. Okay. So you guys, here is my circus theme animal cookie popcorn. Take a look, you guys. Looks yummy. Let me just see it, you guys. Yummy. So, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, you guys. And like I always say at the end of my videos, I will party with you guys next time. Bye.